Hi, I am South African artist Farook Mohammed. I'm busy with my exhibition at the Nelson Mandela Metropolitan Art Museum, and I'm pushing this video in for two old farts making noises. So I'm just basically showing you some of the works in the background that's around here. Um, Security is very tight in this facility. People are not really allowed to actually come in with cameras and film crews, but I'm going to give you a little tour of the works that are on display and available, as I'm taking part in the Nelson Mandela Bay Arts Festival. And I hope you like the works that will be shown to you.